Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve black screen on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve black screen on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Facebook and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first up and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.